climate change. We turn now to Geechee live tonight from St. Helena Island. And Danae, they've been advocating for federal support.
Shannon, that's right. The Gullah Geechee Nation has actually taken that fight to Washington, D.C., to a House committee. Now, the Gullah Geechee Nation spans from North Carolina all the way to Florida, and I'm told that the effects of climate change are being felt in all 4 of those states.
It's not a minor problem. It is a major problem, hence why it's a global discussion.
The Gullah Geechee have lived off this land for hundreds of years.
Everything about Gullah Geechee culture is about living in balance with the natural environment and with everything that lives.
A parity that has become more difficult recently.
Those of us who are natives here have been witnessing this for 25, 30 years already. We've just seen that it has started to move faster than scientists predicted.
When I was real young, we could walk from right here over to those houses, a little house over there, and just walk over there.
Ed Atkins Jr. is a fisherman on the island.
Oyster getting smaller. The oyster don't come out as single like they used to be. Your fish, you don't catch as much fish as you used to catch. Then your shrimp, you don't catch as much shrimp as you used to catch. All that because it got to do with the shift in the tide.
That, of course, is impacting our food security. Both the food that we harvest from the land and the food that we harvest from the sea.
But it goes even further than that.
It's so important to us that people recognize the intersection between climate change and taking climate action and the food security and cultural heritage, because it's all linked together.
And Queen Cat was actually in Washington, D.C. in February, talking to that House committee, advocating for a bill to pass on climate change. Shannon, back to you.
All right, Danae, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Thanks.